Hey there, I'm Emma. I'm a writer, recipe developer, and I'm always looking for more ways to eat less meat.
A big little recipe has big flavor and a little ingredient list.
Today, our food stylist Coral is making my recipe for a newfangled breakfast sandwich. Instead of bacon, sausage, or ham, we're turning to broccoli. When roasted in the oven, it takes on tons of caramelized flavor and snappy, crispy texture. English muffins are my favorite, but swap in sliced bread or a bagel if you want. Any melty cheese with a sharp attitude works. We went with cheddar. While that's in the oven, let's cook the eggs. Sunny side up means lots of runny yolk. Smush everyone together and eat ASAP. And that's broccoli breakfast sandwiches in 4 ingredients. Let's eat.